वेलकम टू वेंकटेश यूट्यूब चैनल। गाइस आज हम गैलेक्सी बड्स प्लस का अनबॉक्सिंग करने वाला है। तो गाइस आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो कर लो, लाइक शेयर और कमेंट भी ज़रूर कर देना। तो गाइस वीडियो शुरू करते हैं।
Hello guys, welcome you to the unboxing experience of Samsung Bird Plus. So it comes with a beautiful box, as you can see, a nice shade of rainbow colors and all that stuff, a very pretty looking box. So first of the few highlights you can see is that it has got 11 hours of playtime for birds itself, and secondly it is saying that it has got two-way speaker for richer sound, so there are triple mics, and thirdly it is a QI compatible wireless, so it is basically it is a wireless compatible device. And the most important of all is that it is sound is by AKG, so that's the most best feature of this device, as you can see. So now let us go to the unboxing experience, and slowly just take a look at it. So firstly I will welcome you to the paperwork and Samsung branding on the leaflet itself, and let us see what they provide in the paperwork. So what is this? So there is basically a warranty card is given, and some of the quick start guides and all that stuff. Keeping it aside, now let us move on the bud itself. And so this is a charging cable provided in the box, and it is basically type C, what I can see from here. And the quality of the cable is very nice. It is thick, it's rugged, and it's robust. And there are some wingtips. I think that it is a large pair of large is there, a pair of small is there, and winglets are also there. So keeping it aside, now moving on to the actual bird itself. So a very glossy finish is there, and the branding says sound by AKG. That's the highlight of the product in itself. And oh, so it's a kind of a pebble shaped box, and yeah, it's like a glossy finish. It's like it feels it has got some weight in it. It's feel premium in itself. And now let us open the box. So talking about the hinge mechanism, I can say that it's sturdy in its own way, and it has got a good holding capacity at various angle, you can see, as you can see from the video. So firstly we are welcomed by a green light, and basically it is the light highlighting the charge status of the bird itself. So there is a highlight of left and right in the bird, and that's a nice touch to it. And you can see that yellow light, it's showing the status of the battery capacity of the charging case. By the way, the charging case provides 11 hours of battery backup, and the bird provides 11 hours, so in total it is 22 hours. And now we will focus on the bird. So the first impression that you get is that these are very light, and as per the technical specification we can say it is like 6.3 grams, and a good touch is there, good winglets are there, nice and sturdy to feel. The finish is very good. So so basically there is a glossy touch at the outermost part of it, and it looks premium in a way. And so there are basically, from the outer perspective, we can say that it has got two mics from outside and one is from the inside. It's very hard for a camera to focus that way, but it's the way. And yeah, these birds fits very properly in your ears because of the design of these winglets. These winglets are, one of the best thing I can appreciate about the birds. And so this is the product overview. And talking about the music quality. So firstly we will talk about the features, how to operate it, and talking about it on a single touch it is like stop and pause the music. On double touch it is like play the next music, and double touch is also for for receiving and ending the call. Triple touch is for your previous song. And one of the good feature of this bud is that on touch and hold you can, from the right bud you can directly open a feature that is called ambient sound. So in that the microphone works together, and they allow the outside noise to come to your ears. And on left side if you touch and hold, it's all about the voice assistant. Like in iOS it is Siri, and in Android it is Google Assistant. So that's the very best part of it. And what I can say is that these buds work independently very best. Like a single bud is, you can use these buds single-handedly, and these are very independent to each other and don't require both of the bud to operate. So that's the best thing. Talking about the sound qualities of these buds, so roughly I've used Jabra 65T Active. So these buds were like they've got some bass and all that, but these buds are like a standard sounding buds. And but these buds are very clear in every sense. In every note these are clear. And so sound is like, what I will say is that it's like average. It's not something awesome or some wow factor is there. But talking about the mic quality, so that's the best in the segment, I can say. So there are total 6 mic in these buds, and per bud there are 3. And the kind of noise cancellation they do during calls is awesome. And and talking about the now talking about like battery wise, these are great. They have got like 11 hours of battery life. And so talking about battery life, talking about the call quality, it's great. Talking about sound, it's like, considering the price, it's great. I've got these buds from Amazon for about like 6,000 rupees, and considering these, it's great. Now talking about the quality of the product, it's robust, sturdy, the case sturdy, and the buds are itself IPX2 certified, so you can have a little bit of splashing and all that. And so overall, considering the price, I will say these are the best bud you can afford. And for 6,000 rupees it's the best deal you can get, and I will highly recommend it. If you get it around like 6,000 or 7,000, it's the best and you should go for it. So thumbs up from my side.